When you walk into a supermarket, all the food looks great, so you probably assume that it's safe to eat. But what if it contains pesticides, preservatives, hormones, additives, and other chemicals? How safe are those? Are government agencies like the FDA protecting consumers or protecting industry profits? We are being manipulated into believing that the food we buy is harmless, but thousands of chemicals have entered the American food supply without being tested for safety. Many of them are actually banned in Europe, but Americans are exposed to them every single day in their food, water, skincare, cleaning supplies, and more. So how can you protect yourself from dangerous ingredients if you don't even realize they're there? Introducing the Good Food Fighter. She's here to speak truth to power and to help keep your family healthy. Faster than a speeding asparagus, stronger than a spinach salad, more determined than wild salmon swimming upstream. The Good Food Fighter exposes the ingredients used by the food industry that may not be safe. She combats the broken American food system, explaining which foods to avoid and what to eat instead. She shines a light in the darkness by educating you and arming you with information. A third of all Americans are diabetic or have pre-diabetes, and cancer is spreading like wildfire. Over half of all Americans are obese or overweight, including 20% of teenagers. You are either eating towards disease or away from it, but you don't have time to investigate every ingredient and toxin. She does the research so that you don't have to. In this era of corporate greed and misinformation, she's one voice you can trust.